Khubaib, would you want to hold the camera for a bit?
Good.
I'm just going to get some water. Finish your water.
Good.
Oh.
Good.
I love this.
Very nice. Very nice. Wait, come on, come on.
What was this?
You okay? Good. Nice.
Some people make fights easy,
Make
and
it.
then you go really fucking strong with it. Everyone's like, what do you want to see?
Now, come on,
Lucky.
Khubaib. Come on.
Gotta wait for those, yeah? It's a patient game.
Yeah, that's a good goal.
It's almost like the game.
Good. Good, Khubaib.
Bowling, Steve-O.
Yeah.
I can go. Long name.
Oh, that's it. Bowling masterclass.
Oh, well done. Good adjustment, bro. Oh, I'll be like, what the hell's going on? Oh. Even bowling training, nice.
So that's like 3 left anyway.
That's like match situation for sure.
That's how they bowl in the matches, bro.
You don't get a freaking cover.
Oh, that's it.
Bowling session with Steven.
That's it, right? This is how I always bowl.
Dude, that was more than that. You know. Oh, not bad. Just gonna plan those on the offside here.
Last ball.
Last one.
Last one. Let's go, boys.
Ah, sorry, brother.
Oh, okay.
Hey, give me one more. Give me one more ball. Give me one more.